kacha potusini plini kacha potusini mamkoż moja neremene mamkoż moja.
Who is that man? Sly Yosef, Sept Sharmuta.
You know the adage we were told? That Palestine is a land without people for a people without land? Well, I see now there is more to it. And after so long in exile, and after all we have suffered, we are about to have our own nation. Our mission is deterrence.
My ancestors are buried here.
We must strike terror in the heart of the Arabs.
We built these homes, these wells, these granaries.
Only then will Palestine be ours.
I know each stone, each tree, each cave in this valley.
Eretz Israel!
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah.